How to join people's private servers in Roblox without being their friends. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about whether it is possible to join private servers in Roblox without needing to be friends with someone. So please watch this video until the very end and follow the steps carefully to avoid any mistakes. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go to roblox.com and log into your specific account. Once you're logged in, search for a random player. For example, let's pick someone from the search results. So if you see an add friend button, it means that you're not friends with that person yet. Next, open a new tab and search for our search and then click on the first link. This will take you to an extension that you need to add to your Chrome. Once you've added the extension, go back to Roblox and refresh the page. And if the person you selected is online or on a private server, a join button will appear. And that's how you can join private servers without being their friends. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.